How to sign up to Revolut. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can sign up to Revolut. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to sign up to Revolut or create a Revolut account, all you have to do is first of all just go ahead and then open up your Revolut application by going to your respective apps. So once you launch the Revolut app, if you already do have an account, then you can just tap on the login button in order to go ahead and then simply log into your account. But if you don't have your Revolut account, then we're learning to sign up, so just select the option called sign up over here. And very first thing, of course, it is basically going to ask you for your phone number, so go ahead and then enter your country code. In this case, once you enter your country code, just tap on the mobile number option and then go ahead and then simply enter your mobile number that you want to use. Once you enter your mobile number, tap on the sign up option over here, and now it will send a verification code to that number. So we're going to wait until we receive the verification code as well. After you have verified the code, automatically you will see this type of interface. So first, it will also ask you to select your country of residence. In this case, just select your own country of residence over here. So let me just go and select it and then search for my specific country. In this case, once you select your country of residence, just tap on the sign up securely option. It says congratulations, you can join the waitlist or whatever else. I'll just select join waitlist now. And then once we've done it, it'll ask us to enter my email address. So I'll go ahead and then enter the email address that I want to use in this case as well. Now once I've entered the email address too, I'll just tap on the continue option. Now again, I'll just tap on the option called invite friends. I can just go ahead and copy my invite or whatever else over here. Then I can just come back and then I'll just select any option over here. And then once you do that, you can copy the link and successfully invite your friends and so on. And this is how you can go ahead and then sign up to Revolut. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.